When I took my first welding class in college, I did not realize that that was going to be the start to a fulfilling and wonderful path that I would get to create and build every day. My name's Jonathan Meyer. I am a weld technician and I've been working with metal for 15 years. I've been a blacksmith, I've been a welder fabricator, I've prototyped cars, I've made structures for different events, I've worked as a shop technician helping kids in college. At MRA, we build mobile exhibits for trade shows, training purposes, and showing new equipment to possible clients from our clients. Everything from medical equipment to batteries. On a daily basis, depending on what's going on in our production, I'm basically reading prints, figuring out what needs to be built, and building parts. So I'm cutting and shearing the steel, bending it up, or aluminum, welding, and just placement for the parts. I went to college for creative studies in downtown Detroit for furniture design and blacksmithing. I was exposed to a whole array of materials and processes, and welding kind of just stuck out, and I like the fact that with metal, it doesn't break like maybe glass or wood will, and you can always repair it. And I love the processes. For a number of years, worked at the Thanksgiving Day Parade for Detroit, the parade company, welding and fabricating for them. And that was one of my first welding jobs. It was really cool to actually be behind the scenes and see how everything was built and all the different things that, as a child growing up, I got to experience the Thanksgiving Day Parade, coming down the road and going out there in the morning and watching it, and actually being on the other end where I'm building it and watching the kids and their excitement. It's a great time to be in the welding industry. For me, it's given me the opportunity to go out of state, travel. I literally do not have to worry about finding a job because there are so many out there. Most people, you have the conversation and they're like, oh, well, I typed up this paper and this report where I can say, hey, look at that. I made that. And with every project, I feel the same way. And feeling that energy that I had the first time I welded, it's still there. A lot of the stuff that I make, as far as my artwork, it's small scale sculptures or sculptural vessels that I incorporate not only welding and fabrication, but traditional blacksmithing. So I'm using a hammer, I'm using presses, and I've actually gotten one of my pieces in the largest contemporary craft collection in North America. I think that in our lives, when we need change, if there's something you want to do, welding, for me, has been a great path to go into because it allows me the freedom to be my own boss if I want, or I can work for people in a wide spectrum. And it's a great career to venture to. It's life-changing.